Identify the regression lines and estimate the value of y for x equal to 2. Two lines are given. You have to identify the regression lines. That is, which one is line of x on y, which one is line of y on x. Once you identify the regression lines, we have to calculate the value of y for x equal to 2. For calculating the value of y, we will use the regression equation of y on x. So once you identify regression equation of y on x, substitute x, the value of x in that equation. So out of this given two equation, we have to find out which one is x on y, which one is y on x. We will calculate it, we will find out this using the method of slope. We will convert both into slope intercept form. Once you got the slope, the smaller one is byx, reciprocal of bigger one is bxy. The smaller one is byx. So the equation which containing byx is regression equation of y on x. Substitute x equal to 2 on that equation, you will get the value of y for x equal to 2. The two equations, first one 3x plus 2y minus 26 equal to 0. Here the slope is the coefficient of x, that is slope is minus 3 by 2. Second equation 6x plus y minus 31 equal to 0. Coefficient of x is 6 minus 6. So here slope is minus 6. The value of first slope without sign is 1.5. The value of second slope without sign is 6. So clearly 1.5 is less than 6. Without sign, this slope is smaller than this slope. So we have to show the reason. Without sign, modulus of minus 3 by 2 less than modulus of minus 6. Now this smaller one is byx. Byx is smaller one. At that time you have to put the sign. Bxy is reciprocal of bigger one, minus 1 upon 6. The equation which containing byx is equation of y on x. So 3 and 2 are in this first equation, and bxy is regression coefficient of x on y. So in which equation bxy is there, that is equation of x on y. So 1 and 6, that is in this equation. So regression equation of x on y is the second one, 6x plus y minus 31 equal to 0. Now regression equation of y on x, the equation which containing byx, the equation which containing 3 and 2, that is first equation. 3x plus 2y minus 26 equal to 0. Now regression equation of y on x is used to calculate the value of y, unknown value of y for known value of x. So here in this question, the question is estimate the value of y for x equal to 2. So for estimation of value of y, we are using regression equation of y on x. So we will substitute x equal to 2 in regression equation of y on x. This is the regression equation of y on x. Substituting x equal to 2 in this equation, 3 into 2 plus 2y minus 26 equal to 0. 6 plus 2y minus 26 equal to 0. That is 2y, 6 plus 6 minus 26 minus 2y minus 20 equal to 0. 2y equal to 20, y equal to 10. So the value of y is equal to 10 when x equal to